Today I'm going to be talking about perfect tenses. We have studied the present perfect before, but now we are going to look at all four of the various perfect tenses. So we'll start with the present as a reminder. All the perfect tenses have haber. They have to use haber. That's very important. And in the present perfect, we conjugate haber like this. Has, a, hemos, han. Okay? These are all the different present conjugations of haber. And then in order to form the present perfect tense, you have to add the past participle. The past participle is the same for all the different tenses of the perfect tense. Present, future, conditional, past, they all use the same past participle. So the present tense, as you hopefully remember, a means I have, you have, he, she, it, or you fancy person who said, has, we have, they, or y'all have, and then you add the past participle spoken, eaten, lived. We also have I means there is or there are. Había means there was or there were. Había is the past form of I. But when you conjugate haber as the past perfect tense, you come up with había, habías, había, habíamos, habían. This is haber conjugated for the imperfect tense, which is in the past. Then you also have to add your past participle again. These are exactly the same with the present and the past, as I said before. So había means I had. Habías, you had, he or she had, we had, they had. So we had eaten when the truck arrived. You had spoken when something happened. So that's all in the past. Then you also have the future. So for the future, we are going to conjugate haber in the future tense. Those are your future endings there. Haberé, haberás, haberá, haberemos, haberán. And haber is irregular in the future and also in the conditional because it drops that E. So it changes from haber to the base of habre, and then you add your future perfect endings or your conditional endings on the end of that. And again, you have to have the past participles. So just a reminder, there are some irregular past participles here, a few common ones: hecho, dicho, escrito, muerto, abierto. So in the future, this is saying, I will have eaten. I haven't yet, but I will have eaten by the time I go out tonight. The conditional is going to be exactly the same, conjugated just like it would be in the conditional, taking habre and then adding the ia on the end. Habría, habrías, habría, habríamos, and habrían. Notice that's very similar to the past perfect, but it has an R. That's how you can tell the difference. So this is haber in the conditional. Notice that R, it's very important. You also still add the past participle to the end of that, just like with all of the perfect tenses. They will always have these two pieces, the part of haber that is conjugated and also the past participle. So this is saying I would have, you would have, he or she would have, we would have, they would have. So I would have taken that money, but I knew it belonged to her, or something like that. Haber, when in these two pieces, is going to tell you who is talking. The past participle is going to tell you what they did, the action. So you have to have both these pieces together in order to form the perfect tense.